Hey smart shoppers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make better purchasing decisions by comparing the coolest products on the market. Today, we're taking to the skies and comparing two top-notch drones, the Heygelo S90 drone and the TENSSENX GPS drone. On the left, we have the budget-friendly Heygelo S90, and on the right, the not-so-wallet-friendly TENSSENX GPS drone. Let's dive in and see which one is worth your hard-earned cash. Alright, let's talk cameras. Heygelo S90 comes with a 1080p HD camera. Reviewers find it decent for casual photography, but not suitable for high-detail shots. Enter TENSSENX with its 4K ultra-clear camera. Users rave about its impressive image quality, making it perfect for capturing stunning aerial shots. It's like comparing a potato to a Picasso. TENSSENX wins this round hands down. Next up, let's talk about the price. Heygelo S90 is priced at a very reasonable $59, making it highly accessible. Many reviewers appreciate its affordability and see it as great value for money. On the other hand, TENSSENX will set you back $169. While some users feel it's worth the investment for the extra features, it's undeniably a bigger hit to the wallet. If you're on a budget, Heygelo wins this round by a mile. Now, let's see how long these babies can stay in the air. Heygelo S90 gives you up to 26 minutes of flight time with its two batteries. Users find this sufficient for short, fun flights. But TENSSENX swoops in with a jaw-dropping 52 minutes of flight time, which reviewers love for extended flying experiences. TENSSENX takes this round, giving you more time to be the aerial paparazzi you always dreamed of. Let's talk features. Heygelo S90 offers multiple control options, stunts like 360 degrees flips and altitude hold. Reviewers appreciate its ease of use and fun features. But TENSSENX brings the big guns with GPS auto-return, optical flow, and follow me mode. Reviewers particularly love the gesture control for selfies and the advanced features that make it feel like a premium drone. TENSSENX is like having your own personal drone butler. Last but not least, let's see which one is easier to lug around. Both drones have a foldable design, making them super portable. Heygelo S90 is appreciated for its compactness, but TENSSENX comes with a carrying case and is under 250 grams, meaning no FAA registration. Reviewers love the added convenience and portability of TENSSENX. Heygelo, you're compact, but TENSSENX just made you look like a suitcase in a world of carry-ons. Overall, reviewers find Heygelo S90 to be a great entry-level drone, offering good value for its price with decent features and ease of use. However, its camera and flight time leave something to be desired. TENSSENX, on the other hand, impresses users with its advanced features, superior camera quality, and extended flight time, making it a preferred choice for those willing to invest a bit more. So there you have it, smart shoppers. While Heygelo S90 is a great budget-friendly option, TENSSENX clearly takes the crown with its superior features, camera quality, and flight time. If you want to impress your friends and maybe even a few birds, TENSSENX is your go-to drone. But if you're just looking to have some fun without breaking the bank, Heygelo won't disappoint. Thanks for tuning in to Buy Smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Fly high and buy smart, folks. See you next time.